seen before. It's quite interesting.
They gotta move too fast for my movie. Look at him. He's trying to do the same thing that Najee's doing.
This could go on for hours.
He's too little to go on for hours, though. It's too much for him to play with this big boy.
Anyway, alright.
Oh, he's too cute. Now he rolls over. Look at him, he says, man, that big dog, he's weird. Oh, he's cute. I'll have to send Courtney another little movie while she's at school. Does she look at the videos? I mean, does she use her computer? You going? Oh, good boy. Go away. Now that he's done his poop. Now she'd be good. Not too rough. He's just a baby. He's just a little baby. Now she. Silly puppy. Yep. Looking better every day. Huh? Looking better every day. Playing with these big animals.